The Social Services and Wellbeing Act 2014 requires us to focus on people's well-being and put them at the centre of their care and support plan. By focusing on what matters most to people, we can improve their health and their well-being. When we think about a sense of well-being for all of us, it comes from a number of things. Our relationships, feeling loved, being respected, having a sense of purpose, making a useful contribution, and sometimes the little things that make life feel worthwhile. This is the same for children, young people and adults, whether they receive care and support or not. Working with people in a way that enhances their well-being is called an outcomes approach, supporting people to understand and describe what matters most to them and to achieve their personal goals, which we call outcomes. An outcome-based approach is based on the following principles. People are the experts in their own lives. They are best placed to tell you what's important to them and what gives them a sense of well-being. But they may need help to do this. People want to do the things that matter most to them in their own way. People's strengths are important and need to be acknowledged. We start by identifying what the person wants to achieve and then think through together how to achieve that outcome and agree a plan to help them do it. The person's family, carers and local community are part of the plan. They can contribute to it and benefit from it, a shared sense of working together to improve well-being. Meaningful conversations are central to understand a person's outcome. A personal outcome is the picture the person paints of what it is they hope to achieve. An outcome approach prioritizes good conversations with people about what matters to them, and it prioritizes this over the demands of gathering facts and data from the organizational purposes. It really puts the conversation at the forefront. This focus on personal outcomes provides real opportunities for the person to reflect on their own life. It reduces the assumptions that can sometimes be made by others about what they feel they need. And it can also improve understanding between everyone involved. The most valuable conversations are the ones where people really feel listened to. As we listen well, people can start to make sense of their own situation. As they think and talk, their own meaningful solutions can emerge. Their well-being is enhanced by being respectfully listened to, and the outcomes that emerge are the most achievable and sustainable for them.